This next drill is called the shoulder collapse drill. We use it for multiple reasons. The first one is rhythm, and we know that rhythm and tempo leads to confidence. We've also used this in competition. Many times teams or athletes during competition will get locked up and they lose their rhythm and timing. I've actually called this several times in competition, and it really is amazing how quickly it gets the athlete from being unlocked to where they're at mentally, and it gets them to let the ball go nice and free and easy. So try this not only when you're working on your rhythm and your timing. You'll be amazed at how easy it is, but also dare to use this in competition, and you'll be amazed that when you do get locked up, it'll get you quickly unlocked. Okay, so for our fourth drill, this is called a shoulder collapse drill or a rhythm drill or a no thinking drill. This is incredibly effective, not only in your warm-up routine, but really we know that when you're going to be competitive or in a competition, that we need to be more on the right side of our brain, meaning we need to be reactive, we need to be feeling, and we don't need to be thinking about our physical game. And we also know that if we're bowlers, we've gotten locked up from time to time. So this is also a proven way that when we're in competition and our team is out of rhythm, this is a good way to get them back into rhythm, okay? So the key here is when you do this drill is that we have to start on the back of the approach, all right? And Lauren's gonna take, who knows, maybe 15 steps one time, 20 steps the next. It really doesn't matter. Her body knows how to play, right? And this is really gonna tell her that she really can trust her training and just let it happen, right? So we're gonna start off the approach. She's gonna take the ball, and she's gonna put all of the ball in her opposite hand. And then when she decides to go, she's gonna start walking, and then she's gonna drop the ball in her right hand and just let it happen, all right? And so the key movement here is starting off the approach with the weight in the opposite hand, starting to walk on the approach, and then somewhere when she drops the weight of the ball in the opposite hand, go ahead and come on up here, you're gonna collapse your right side and your shoulder's gonna go down and your head's gonna go over the target line. Good, do it one more time, but this time again, start off the edge of the approach, all the weight in the left hand, perfect. Very good. And you notice how smooth she is and how rhythmic she is. You try this, when you try this drill for the first time, actually bowl for score and bowl and do the drill exactly the way she did it, and actually try to bowl 10 frames and see what your score is. You'll be amazed at how much better you throw it, how easy it is, how rhythmic it is, and without actually looking at your target, how much the ball will actually go where you really want it to go. Enjoy.